Why they keep on trying me? Why they keep on trying me? Trying me, trying me. Why they keep on trying me? Why they keep on trying me? Why they keep on trying me? Trying me, trying me. Why they wanna challenge me? I can't be beat. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Boy, you sounding real weak. Niggas know the kid train to go. Why they trying me? Boy, I keep that stick on me. Fuck you talking about? Man, walk it off before I let the dog motherfucking bark. Know how I roll, studio flow. They keep trying me. They be down in the street smoking weed. I'm Chinese, yeah, 'cause my eyes so low. Smoking on that shit though. But have a nigga like, let's go. You know that I rock. Tags on pop, I show. How much I pay for those? 200 for the flow. Nigga know it's dust in the back. Killing shit on the track. Why they keep on trying me? The chopper in the back. Why they keep on trying me? Your girlfriend is eyeing me. Man, she like what she see. She fucking with a real G. Put the P in front of that PG shit. Point guns and we squeeze that shit. Lot of niggas get knocked off the map. Always running a fucking trap. Y'all already know that the kid he tight. Nigga, I'm getting to the bag. Nigga, I don't give a fuck how you feel. Man, I hope you doing bad. Nigga, I'm the shit. Little bitch. Why they keep on trying me? 'Cause I'm the shit. Keep on trying me though. You gon' see what it do. When I pull the stick out, your ass gon' be through. To the kid veteran, freestyle king, and I got that medicine. Y'all already know who the fuck I'm better than. Tired of talking niggas, they be talking on the shit. Tired of telling little nigga. Little ass child, little nigga. Be a grown man, stay on your 2 feet. Little bitch ass nigga, man, you ain't from the streets. Man, the kid, he a veteran. Why they nigga keep on trying me? Why they keep on trying me? The chopper in the backseat. Yeah, I'm a beast. I'm a veteran. Who I'm better than? You know me, man.